my kodwa mntana lo naye lo mntana ngiyam-appreciate afile kakhulu masakade afile yena afile yike abantu bebambona ngayo, understand, bebanama-opinions wabo nami ngimbona ngendlela different, ngithola like when it comes to content wahle mntana
push
understand, noma ngathi mntwana zwakala uvele khona sembe silethe ukuze uwani uyangithi so uyangithiwa nawo kakhulu la kule show yethu hayi lapha ifusi azokhala nayo kakhulu feeling. And then mntana lo because of like what happened with that video leya she got embarrassed nana losing self-respect nana, understand, mina I've been there with njalo njena kanje abantu bazokhetheka kahle
mara mina ngifuna isiba-avoid labo nanani because mangibheka lento khona intwana encane ekasi ibukele lezi zinto iyajabula mara angazi ukuthi niyarealize i-damage eniyenzayo like kwabanye abantu like laba
abana mina ne mangathi abheka ayithi ama-special pass videos ne esiwa-uploading the feed then khona lesizamile ukuyishaya la weekend feed ukuyibuyisa yabona mina I feel like intwana ne nami bazokutshela abantu engingaba-contact afile ukuthi bazokhala bazodlala uthe bafethu as-creating image yethu nathi la eForce
good
as-creating image yethu nathi la eForce lo sekeleni manje angeke sisibele si-chest nani as-creating i-TV yethu.
No, my question is balenza le special price labantwana bazobakela ukuthi bangena kwento enjani noma sebazithola umuntu sekathi unjani
point yami ukuthi bayazi
usuyabacaba for
but like how is this like a good example to a community nabantwana abancane ku-right ukutshela abanye abantu ama-insecurities wabo
boy lento leyo boy i-special price is-creating damage ebhaya nje like now as a host ifile ezinye uzobuhlungu that's why ngithi umuntu nawo nama-feelings, understand, akangamshiya umuntu ngamabhazi la uthi yo mara ama-elite andoda abazi ukuthi wena ugoa through ini ama-elite fila ngathi ngawakhansela lama-part lawa nani but into enza ukuthi ngizokhansela le yalokishile sokuba ngathi manje am-choosing ngile ishuba le, understand, so mara nathi mina ithi ngikhulumele mina esedile nami, understand, nangichazwa into lezo lezo, understand, mina ukuphila ngisuka ngifuna ukuphila because ngifuna ukubeka la ngibuya khona onemina sinayo first lo khasi bele something,
Yeah.
yeah.